But the DNA Factory is not only about the development of making mannequins. This service of very specialised workshops and innovative machinery is also the very heart of a creative process that produces props and decor to leading brands all over the world. This service that we call Window Art utilises the DNA Factory technology, an extremely efficient and flexible service. The unique 3D capture technology, the 3D graphic teams, the etching, the milling and the 3D printing machines, sculptors and fine arts craftsmen take your ideas from sketches to reality in just a question of days.